Ankita, and today I'm going to share a few beauty tips and tricks to make you look more awake and fresh. But, before we go ahead, go and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel if you haven't already, so that you are always updated whenever we post a new exciting beauty video. Opt for a brightening serum. Staying up late at night takes a toll on your skin and makes your skin look more dull and dehydrated. But there are a few serums that have brightening ingredients that seep into your skin and bring out that radiance and glow. I have been loving one serum recently. It's the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. So I like to take 2 to 3 drops of the serum on my fingers and then I emulsify it well and pat it on my skin. Do not rub the serum because it is not the right technique. Instead, pat the serum onto your skin. So the best part about the serum is it's very lightweight and non-sticky. Plus, it is infused with some amazing ingredients like niacinamide and trivitamin complex that will help boost radiance and improve uneven skin tone. This serum also moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Tired skin usually looks dull and lifeless, and it is very important to bring back life to your skin. How will you do this? You can switch your basic moisturizer to a luminizing cream. I have been loving one lately. It's the Lakme Lumi Cream. So this Lumi Cream has the benefits of skincare plus makeup. So you can either apply it as a moisturizer or mix it with your foundation. So what I personally like to do is, I take a little bit on the back of my hand and mix it with my foundation. Dot it all over my face evenly and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Can you see that luminous effect it gives on my face? So this Lumi Cream will not just hydrate your skin but also create an instant 3D highlighted effect because of the Korean pink pearl extracts. I am so obsessed with this product that I've already finished a few, and I'm so happy that they have a bigger size, which is a 60-gram pack now available, which means I will not have to keep stocking up since this will last me for a very long time. So the next trick for that awakened eyes is to use a white eyeliner. Now why a white eyeliner? So a white eyeliner is perfect to give you that fuller and brighter eyes, and it will help you fake a full night's sleep. I have been using this eyeliner lately. It's the Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil in the shade Ethereal White. So I apply this eye pencil onto my lower waterline and it glides on very smoothly. Can you see the difference it just makes? This eye pencil is very pigmented and long lasting, and it's also smudge proof. The next trick to creating the illusion of looking awake and fresh is to choose a neutral eye color, because bright eyeshadows can direct the attention to tired eyes, which you clearly don't want. So a neutral eyeshadow palette that I have been loving lately is the Lakme 9 to 5 Eye Color Quartet Eyeshadow in the shade Mystic Nude. So I will be using this neutral shade from the palette and apply it evenly onto my eyelid to create a very basic eye look. The fifth and my most favorite trick is to use a volumizing mascara. So a mascara will instantly add volume and length to your lashes, which will make it look more awake and fresh. This is my go-to hack whenever I have had less sleep. I have been loving a volumizing mascara that helps me get rid of this problem. This is the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara. But before applying my mascara, I always like to curl my lashes because it opens up my lashes for easy application. Hold the mascara wand at the base of the lashes and wiggle and swipe upwards. For the lashes at the edge of the lash band, hold the mascara wand upright and coat them as usual. This mascara has lash lifting and lightweight formula, which is water resistant and lasts up to 8 hours without smudging. And lastly, to make yourself look fresh and ready, what can be better than a bright lip shade? This further directs attention away from your eyes and steers it towards your lips. So you can either opt for hot pinks, oranges and reds. But I like to use this coral shade. It's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lip Color in the shade Coral Camp. This lip color looks great on most Indian skin tones. Plus, it has a transfer-proof liquid formulation that delivers a suede matte finish that neither dries out the lips nor does it crumble. So guys, these were some amazing beauty tips and tricks that will help you look more awake and fresh. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!